Alright guys, it's time to start the laundry. We have towels. Let's do a quick wash. It's light soil because there's a little less load. And let's just make it regular cold. And nothing else. Not extra light, I just want a regular light. I'm gonna put some baking soda. It's gonna take about 25 minutes. Go. Should have put baking soda, but it's too late. Yeah, let's go. Keep it on. Door lock. Also outside. So there's the cover from the chair, the towels, dog strap, and yeah. This machine's not getting clothes cleaned properly. Put some detergent. Now let me pause it. I hear something. It's a loud noise, bro. Planning to replace this with an LG, a GE, Whirlpool. I'm planning to replace it with an LG, Whirlpool, or Samsung. Noah is saying that Whirlpool is bad, and he's just not listening. He's just like, okay, what the heck is that? What the heck is that noise? Yeah, it's probably that noise. Now I'm going to put some detergent. God, my video's about to end, so just... My video's about to end, so I'm gonna start.